Hello everyone, this is Paukshte Fashion Workshop. I remind you that we post new videos every day. I also want to remind you that two of my courses are available now. 10 measurement guidance system and how to make a bomber jacket. Don't hesitate to buy them. Today we are going to show you a review of the finished garment. We showed you how to make this dress a very long time ago. Watch the videos if you haven't done it yet. I showed you how to make a pattern for this dress and how to cut it. We did a lot of construction work right on fabric. This is a multifunctional dress. We wanted to sew the center front and just make a vent. We decided not to experiment and made a cardigan from the same pattern, which we showed you in one of the previous videos. Nothing new. Have a look at the cardigan. You can make a cardigan, a coat, a short coat, a dress, or even a blouse, using one and the same pattern. Anything you want. Have a look at the way the one-piece sleeves look like when they are made of the blend wool. They look great due to the softness of the fabric. Ira, do you feel comfortable? I do. I think everyone should have such a garment. We showed you how to make a pattern for this garment and how to cut it. Watch the videos if you haven't done it yet. The garment consists of only 4 pieces, except for pockets and the waistband. These are the 2 front details with the one-piece hood and the 2 back details. So these are just the 4 pieces, no matter a cardigan or a dress it is. I hope you like the design. Now you know how to sew such warm woolen dresses or cardigans. Those who have trousers can sew a short blouse. You can make it with a waistband or without it, with pockets or without them. The main decoration of this cardigan is a hood. Ira is happy, just have a look at her. How can we make a serious video with her being so funny? I'm just happy. Ira, put your hands in the pockets. You don't let me. I do, for the video. In general, you shouldn't put your hands in the pockets. If I see someone doing it, I just sew up the pockets. This is true. Have a look at the placket. This is one of the same placket. The 2 pieces of it are stitched in the center of the hood. The placket is double. There is another layer of the blend wool and there is an interfacing material in between them. The sleeves and the pockets were made the same way. It was done for them to be stronger. The waistband is also made of the 2 layers of the blend wool and an interfacing material in between them. The waistband was edged with a cover stitch machine. We did not turn it inside out, just put the 2 ends together and sewed it. This is the way to deal with the blend wool. As I've already said, the waistband was doubled with the interfacing material. The corners were edged the same way, have a close look at them. And the bottom as well. The placket at the bottom, as well as the one on the center front, were stitched on top of the main fabric. Double plackets are pretty strong. The hood was also edged the same way. The placket was stitched with a cover stitch machine. Actually, all the seams in the cardigan were made with the cover stitch machine. As I've already said, this is a 4-piece dress. The waistband is double. The plackets on the center front, on the bottom, the waistband, the hood was stitched on top of the main fabric. We could have made an even simpler dress. You can make a dress of 4 pieces of fabric with no plaits on the front. Buy a ready-made belt, or choose the one you already have. I'm sure that every one of you have a belt. Choose the design you like better. I often receive comments like, I would have done so, or so. We have a lot of subscribers. We cannot please everyone, it's impossible. We only give you ideas, and you take note of them. You can do whatever you want. We made such an amazing cardigan. Ira loves it. You can change the design however you want. That's all for today. Be different and beautiful. Have a close look at the cardigan once again. We are Paukshte Irina and Ira. Buy my courses, subscribe to my channel, write comments, share the videos, press the like and the bell buttons. I would really appreciate your support. Thank you. Goodbye.